Hello guys, welcome back, and today we'll be downloading Python IDE in which you can write all your Python code. Don't forget to watch it till the end so that you know all the things that you need to do to download Python and Pycharm. Pycharm is a type of an IDE which is the best IDE for beginners, which I think. So let's get started. First, we'll go in Google Chrome and then just click install Python. So the first link will come something like this: www.python.org/download. So you just have to click that. Okay. So it is automatically showing me the latest version for Windows, and if you're using Mac or Linux or something else, so you can just click on the respective links given right here. So just let's get started. You just have to click on that button and boom, it's done. I have already installed this. I have also installed this one, but still I'll show you from where did I install that. We'll just click on Pycharm download. You just have to type that and www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. So that's the link. You just have to click on that. It automatically knows that I'm on Windows, but again, if you're on Mac or Linux, you can just choose from there. Now, there are two versions right here, a community one and a professional one. So professional is for really complex projects, for a company or something like, so that's what professional is used for. But, it's a paid version. So I would suggest that don't go for this right now as you're learning Python, but go for this community edition, which is a free open source. So professional version should be used like when if you are working on complex projects, they have a lot more features, but the community edition also has some really great features of Python. IDE. So we're gonna click on that and the download will start. So I've already downloaded, so I'll just cancel that. And once I'm done, I'll just click on this folder. So we'll first start by clicking on this thing. Okay, so I already have Python. So I already have 383 whatever it is. I'll cancel that. You just have to do that. Okay, I'll just tell you what to do. So you just have to click on that and then a window will appear just like this. So it will show you that you want to install Python. If you want to like make it really simple, just click on next, and it will automatically do its work. So that will be a great option. So and the second, now let's click on this one. It might take a bit of time, because it's like so something like this will come and you just have to click on yes. Okay, and then community edition setup. You can just click on next. Okay, so it will just download, it will create this thing. Okay, and then you just have to click on next. You can just So where you wanna download that, I'll suggest you keep the default locations only. Click on next. If you wanna make a desktop shortcut, yeah, you should tick mark this if you want a shortcut so that you don't have to open that file again and again to access your Pycharm. You click on next, and yeah, the program's shortcut. So this means that all the contents that it takes to download this, it will create a shortcut, but you don't have to do that, and you just click on install, and yeah, it will install that. Okay, so you can just see that it's finished, and if you want to run Python, you can just click on that. So you just have to click on finish, and yeah, that's done. So yeah, the thing is done. Now I just need to show you. It will open something like this, in the center of the screen, and it will load. It might take some time to load for the first time. Yeah. So I have made all of this right now, so that's why it's showing it me. But for you, because you're using it for the first time, it might show a window just like this. So what you want to do is to click on create new project. Okay, so what a project is? A project is something like a folder in which you can add and delete all the files, and you can just write all your code. So yeah, and yeah, so you just don't have to do anything. You can just name this thing anything. I'm gonna name it I don't know, maybe basics. Yeah, that would do. So you can just name this anything you want and click on create. So yeah, it opens. It might take a bit of time. Okay, so when you open a project, you might see something like this. So what does this do? Well, it is like, now you have a folder on your desktop, but there's nothing in the folder. So that's exactly the same. Now you have made this, whatever you must have named this basics, but if you just do this, that the virtual environment that's already made, that's, yeah. So I'll suggest you do not do anything to this, and yeah, so you can just see what you have, and if you want to add something, you can just right click, and yeah, it obviously will take some time, and you can just click new and then go for Python file. So after doing this, it might be like you're inserting a text file or something like that into that folder. So you can just do that, and you can just name it anything. I'll name it first. Okay, no, okay, just a second. Just do that and click enter, and yeah, you can see that we have successfully created our first file in which we can just type any code. So yeah, let me tell you some more features about this, and then about the Python and stuff, I'll tell you that in the next video. So first, you can see at this tick mark. So this tick mark is that, yeah, your all the code is really great. But now if I type anything gibberish, okay, so it will just show me an error, something like this, and it will just say that, if you just put your mouse pointer right there, so it will just tell you that unresolved reference, whatever I have written, and no new line at the end of file. Okay, so what is PEP8? So PEP8 is the principle on which this thing works. So the Python works. So according to that, you always have to put an end line in the file. So yeah, you just have to, whenever you write anything, you can just you just have to put a end line, but which tells that here now that's the end of the document. Now if you click on that, then it's telling just unresolved reference, whatever gibberish I have written. So yeah, I hope you understand everything till now, and we'll make our first Python program in the next video, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you always get notified when I post any videos. So yeah, bye bye.